Are you prepped to peek at some cool gadgets? Because today, we're diving headfirst into the extreme latest inventions that will make your jaw hit the floor. So buckle up, tech enthusiasts, because we're about to explore 7 of the craziest, most surprising, extreme inventions that just hit the scene. Let's get started. This one-of-a-kind gadget stole the show at the famed Rio de Janeiro Carnival and even landed a spot in the Guinness Book of Records. Alexander Duru piloted his creation, an Omni Hoverboard, an impressive 275.9 meters, while skimming just 5 meters above the water. But there's more to the story. He secured a patent for his ingenious design, but he also launched Omni Hoverboards, a company built around this ingenious concept. The concept behind it is simply straightforward. The two quadcopters collaborate seamlessly to grant you the ability to take flight. The success was so resounding that rumors of mass production swirled, though the official website remains tight-lipped on the matter, hinting that Duru might be busy perfecting revolutionary hoverboard. Now, the question remains, how much would you be willing to pay for the chance to fly on this futuristic gadget? In a surprising move, Bavarian Engine Works company, also known as BMW, has unveiled a groundbreaking innovation, the world's inaugural electric wingsuit. Imagine soaring through the air at speeds of up to 300 kilometers per hour with this wingsuit. This feat wouldn't have been possible without the combined efforts of Austrian extreme sports pro Peter Saltzman and the innovative use of 2 electric motors generating a total of 20 horsepower. More than just contributing to its development, Saltzman became the first person to test the electric wingsuit. To further refine the suit's performance, Saltzman even ventured to Stockholm, where the world's only indoor wind tunnel specifically designed for wingsuit flying awaited. The culmination of this project is a lightweight powerhouse. Weighing in at only 12 kilograms, the suit boasts a battery that allows for approximately 5 minutes of flight time. Have you ever dreamt of flying? Well, iFLY can make that dream a reality. They offer indoor skydiving in a safe and thrilling environment, which lets you experience the thrill of flight without ever needing to jump out of a plane. It is perfect for ages 3 to 103, as long as you're under 300 pounds and have no medical concerns, and you're good to go. For just $85, you can experience the exhilaration of flight for 2 60-second sessions. Their friendly instructors will guide you every step of the way, providing all the equipment you need. Plus, you'll even get a personalized certificate to commemorate your adventure. Don't worry about feeling nervous or out of place. iFLY's friendly atmosphere is like a home away from home, and they even have a cafe where you can grab a bite to eat before taking flight. Feeling nervous? Don't worry. iFLY is designed to prevent nausea or dizziness. iFLY can handle groups of up to 100 people. They also offer special promotions throughout the year, like their Mother's Day gift package with 10 flights. So what are you waiting for? With locations around the world, from New Zealand to the USA, there's an iFLY waiting to help you take flight. How about a US adventure filled with heart-pounding roller coaster adventure? Coasters here are constantly getting amped up, reaching insane speeds and wild features. Take King Dakar in New Jersey, for example. This monster launches you from 0 to 128 miles per hour in a jaw-dropping 3.5 seconds. Feeling more like a surfer? Then Pipeline. The surf coaster in Florida is your jam. It's designed to mimic the feeling of shredding waves at high speeds, with the coolest twist being dynamic seats that move with you. Close your eyes and imagine wind whipping through your hair as you soar 34 meters above the ground. That's about 10 floors up at 97 kilometers per hour. A day at SeaWorld Orlando to experience this ride will run you around $90. FreeFly Systems, a company known for its innovative camera movement technology in filmmaking, including drones, stabilizers, and remote-controlled vehicles, has taken things a step further by pioneering a new sport: drone surfing. Secure yourself to a high-powered drone, hop on your board, and experience the thrill. Not only will you experience an adrenaline rush like never before, but you can also capture stunning footage and analyze it later to refine your technique. FreeFly takes drone surfing to the next level with the Alta 8. This 8-propeller beast offers incredible maneuverability in a surprisingly compact package. With a tilt angle of 45 degrees and a hefty 9 kilograms carrying capacity, the Alta 8 is a versatile machine that laughs in the face of a little rain. Overall, drone surfing offers an enjoyable way to pass the time when you have a board and a beach, but lack waves. Soar above Switzerland in style. This innovative country isn't just famous for its mountains, it's also leading the way in aviation with the Archaeopteryx, one of the lightest gliders in the world. Tipping the scales at a mere 54 kilograms in its basic form, this marvel of engineering goes even further. Imagine launching yourself into the air using only leg power in calm conditions, and in some cases, even landing gracefully on your feet. The Archaeopteryx slices through the sky at speeds reaching 130 kilometers per hour. But don't worry about unexpected calm spells. This ingenious glider is also equipped with an electric motor for a little boost. In good weather, the Archaeopteryx boasts a remarkable range of up to 500 kilometers. That's enough to cross Switzerland entirely, from end to end or border to border. The Fulcrum Engines team from St. Petersburg has revolutionized paramotoring with the PowerPod, the world's first pod harness with a built-in motor. It's the ultimate fusion for aerial adventure enthusiasts, combines the comfort of a paragliding pod with the power and freedom of a paramotor. Imagine launching from any location, not just slopes, thanks to the powerful 25 horsepower engine. Gaining altitude in changing weather becomes effortless. Despite these capabilities, the PowerPod stays incredibly light, weighing under 20 kilograms. You might notice the propeller is smaller than on classic paramotors. Fear not, it's been meticulously optimized and paired with a special ring attachment for maximum efficiency. Head over to the manufacturer's website to learn more and pre-order your PowerPod today. Discover the latest in gadgets by hitting that subscribe button, giving us a thumbs up, and sharing this video with your nearest and dearest. Hit the bell icon to stay in the loop and never miss out on our latest updates. Please watch this next video for more latest gadgets.